Testosterone replacement therapy has exploded in popularity over the last few years. Open any social media app and you'll find influencers pitching it as a casual biohack, a quick fix for fatigue, low energy, and aging. This leaves a lot of men caught in the middle. On one side, you have internet promises of a miracle cure. On the other, lingering public fears of dangerous steroid abuse. The problem is, those exaggerated fears completely dominate the conversation, while the actual, everyday biological risks get swept under the rug. Choosing to start this protocol requires balancing the potential for hormonal restoration against the reality of permanent medical monitoring and distinct biological sacrifices. Medical eligibility for TRT begins with identifying a genuine clinical void in the body. Looking at this flowchart, you can see the split between internet advice and medical reality. To even be considered a candidate, you need a proven clinical deficiency established by 2 separate morning blood tests, and those blood numbers alone aren't enough. Your labs have to match real physical and mental symptoms, like a genuine drop in libido, noticeable brain fog, and an unexpected loss of muscle mass. Testosterone naturally declines after age 40, but conditions like obesity, high blood pressure, and metabolic syndrome accelerate that drop significantly. Without both the clear physical symptoms and the hard data from dual blood tests, starting treatment is medically inappropriate. Even with the right diagnosis, many men hesitate because of decades-old medical anxieties. This matrix breaks down outdated myths. The most prominent is heart attacks. Newer studies show no increase in cardiovascular death. Regarding prostate cancer, current evidence shows TRT does not cause it. Studies also show no negative impact on urinary symptoms. By fixating on these eliminated fears, patients are distracted from the highly probable, everyday biological consequences they actually need to manage. The very first non-negotiable cost of the treatment is its immediate and severe impact on natural male fertility. When artificial testosterone enters your bloodstream, your brain reads the levels and completely halts your natural production. Because of this, sperm count plummets, leading to a dramatic decline in fertility. The next major biological cost happens in your circulatory system. Treatment causes red blood cells to rapidly multiply, creating thick, sluggish blood. This directly elevates your risk for clotting and strokes. Because these internal reactions are invisible from the outside, routine blood testing becomes an absolute requirement for the rest of your life on the protocol. This illustration maps another reality: molecular conversion. When optimizing testosterone, your body converts a portion of the excess into other hormones, specifically estrogen and DHT. This conversion pathway can trigger visible side effects, particularly early in treatment. You might experience sudden acne breakouts, breast tissue tenderness, or the rapid acceleration of genetic hair loss. It also interacts with existing physical stress and is known to uncover or severely worsen underlying sleep apnea. Those daily maintenance costs are undeniably steep, but men endure them for a very specific reason: the physical restoration. Reactivating these biological pathways routinely restores a strong sex drive and facilitates stronger, more spontaneous erections. Beyond the bedroom, the structural and psychological payoffs are extensive. Patients see reversed muscle loss, strengthened bone density, and a drop in clinical depression. For a patient managing the side effects correctly, the biological trade-off is highly favorable. They report a massive return of their motivation, their energy, and essentially a return to feeling like themselves. This scenario match quadrant maps symptom severity against fertility needs. For aging optimizers, severe symptoms, family complete, vitality benefits outweigh monitoring inconveniences. Younger symptomatic males face reproductive friction, requiring specialist consultation. Finally, strict exclusions like active cancer, untreated apnea, or heart failure completely disqualify treatment. The data shows that testosterone replacement is incredibly context-dependent. A life-saving optimization protocol for one man can be actively dangerous for another. This therapy occupies the space between internet hype and outdated fears, a serious medical protocol with specific high-maintenance requirements. It is a highly effective clinical tool, and it requires lifelong adherence to remain safe and effective. Your success relies entirely on radical honesty. Honesty about your symptoms, your blood work, and your willingness to commit to the daily process. When prescribed correctly and respected medically, A well-managed protocol translates abstract lab values into a tangible restoration of health and quality of life.